What's up guys, I'm Raj here. Welcome to TMQ family. If you want to be this part of this tech family, then you should hit the red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to watch more of my tech videos every Tuesdays and Fridays. In today's how to tech video, I'm going to show you guys how to set a custom ringtone for your iPhone using both Mac and Windows in 2020. Probably this will be the simplest method to set an iPhone ringtone. You don't have to use a cable to connect to your computer. You just can use your iPhone to set a ringtone, and it's simple as that. So the reason I'm doing this video is mainly because I've been receiving requests from many people previously. They were asking me, how do you set a custom ringtone in your iPhone? Because probably in iPhone, most of the time you can only stick with the default Apple ringtones. So either you want to buy a ringtone, which you can buy from iTunes store, but I'm very sure most of you are not going to do that. For today's video, I hope this video will be very helpful for you guys if you are finding how to set a custom ringtone in 2020. I've made this video as simple as possible. Before I show you how to set the custom ringtone, the main two things you might need in order to set is, you need two things. First of all, you need an iPhone, and also you need a computer, but I'll tell you why you need a computer. Inside your iPhone, you need two apps. One is a GarageBand, which you can download it from the App Store, and it's free to download. No, you don't have to pay anything. And the second app you have to download is Ringtone Maker. So as you can see, there'll be an icon right here. You can see this icon. This is the icon of the Ringtone Maker, and this is the icon for the GarageBand. So you can see this. So based on this, you can download these two apps. You pause this video first, and probably once you download it, continue it again.
One eternity later.
I believe you guys have already downloaded. So let's see how it's done. Okay, so now we have two apps here. One is the Ringtone Maker and one is the GarageBand. So let's click the Ringtone Maker first. So when you click the plus sign right here, so once you click the plus sign, then probably you will see four options. One is the import from video, ringtone sharing, upload from PC, and more. So for our case, I would like to want you guys to select upload from PC. So once you click upload from PC, so if you can see, there should be an IP address here. So what I want you to do now is, you should, okay, in your Mac or in your Windows PC, just go to open your Chrome, and then you just type in this IP address 192.168.1.3. okay, so once you tap this, press enter. Okay, so right now the Ringtone Maker web server will open. So once it opens, it's a simple website, and you can see like just now I show you, this ringtone is already there, and I'm going to upload a new file right now. Okay, so once I click open, okay, now you see it has been uploaded. You can see my iPhone's name, so that means it's confirmed that it has been uploaded. So back to in your iPhone, what you should do now is, you should press the back button. So now you can see the latest music which I added is here, the top one, 2 minutes 26 seconds. Okay, so I'm just going to click this. So just to test, I can play it. So you should be able to play the music. Okay, now what we're going to do is, you can see there's four buttons right here. So you're going to tap the bell icon here, make. Okay, so once you click on make, what happens is, it will give you the options where you want to share, where you want to open your music. So what I'm going to do now is, we're just going to select more, and you're going to scroll down and select copy to GarageBand. Let's edit first. So let's click edit first. Okay, so I'm just gonna edit this thing. Probably I want it to start from here. So because the ringtone you can only set for 30 seconds, so by default you select 30 seconds. So I'm just gonna select maybe until here probably. So I'm not sure how long is this, but then let's see how it is. Okay, so I like this section, so I'm just gonna click my songs again. Okay, and now you just have to hold it and say share. So now you will see three options: song, ringtone, and project. So what I want you to do now is click on ringtone. Okay, so now you see, okay, the name of ringtone, just name it as whatever you want, and okay, let's say just click export. Okay, so now you get an option, use sound as, so you can set your ringtone. Let's see. Okay, standard ringtone. Okay, looks like I've already set as a ringtone. So next time when your phone rings, you will hear this music. So guys, you saw it, right? How simple is it to set a ringtone? That's it. It just took me like, I guess not even 5 minutes. Just within 5 minutes, I'm able to set just a very simple ringtone using this one app, and just your computer, so just to open the web server. So there's nothing much in it. So simple as that. So you also can set a ringtone if you want. I'll attach the link for the GarageBand and also the Ringtone Maker app in the description, so you can click the link in the description to download these apps, and you can set your own ringtone from now onwards. So guys, I hope by watching this video, it should be very simple for you guys to do it. If you miss out something, you can rewind this video and watch it again. I've shown as simple as possible, and I believe you'll feel this video is really useful. Then as usual, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to our TMQ channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to watch more of my tech videos every Tuesdays and Fridays. Till then, I will catch you in the next one. Bye.